Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a battle of the Boxy base boxes. That sounds interesting, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a little while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box that costs $25 a month. You receive 5 full-size beauty items. They say that the boxes have an average value of $175. Subscribers also have the option to upgrade to Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly upgrade to your base box, and that costs $49.99 per box, and it replaces your base box. There's also Boxy Premium, which is an additional box with 6 to 7 beauty items that costs $35 a month. Now, I had 3 subscriptions. It was an error. I got a little carried away. I have canceled my 3rd subscription, but I had subscribed quarterly, so this should be the last Luxe month that I am getting more than 1 base box, because my main account is one that has the Luxe upgrade, so I don't get a base box that month, which is the reason I got a 2nd account in the first place, so that I would get a base box in the Luxe months. And then middle of the night brainchild, I decided, oh, I should upgrade so I get 2 Luxe boxes and I can compare those. Well, that meant I didn't get a base box, so I then had to get a 3rd account, but I've canceled one of the accounts, so now I will only be getting 1 base box in a Luxe month. I will still be getting 2 base boxes in a non-Luxe month. Does that make sense? Sorry, I feel like I'm rambling today. It's been a long day. In a long week of a long month of a long year. But anyway, I do have 2 base boxes this month. This is a Luxe month, but I do have 2 base boxes. The only difference in the profiles for these boxes is my age. The 2 that I have here are not my real age. My real age, which is 54, is on my primary, which is the one that gets Luxe. One of these boxes has me as 36 and the other one has me at 24. So that was to try and see if there's a difference in what you get based on age. So let's see how we do on this. So the first one that I've got here is the 24-year-old. So let's check out what 24-year-old me got in her box. And here's the card for this month, and our theme is Bubbles and Glitz. And I got variation 36. You do get a list of all your products, a little description, and the retail value, along with a variation number. So this one is variation 36, so let's check out and see what we've got in this one. First thing I'm seeing is from Glamnetic, and this is the Bella Lashes, which is here, and the Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. So these are magnetic lashes. Let's read a little bit about them first and then we'll talk about it. Bella is a medium wispy flare lash that gives you a classy and beautiful winged eye effect made from high quality 100% vegan synthetic fibers. The Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your favorite Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all-day hold. The set retails for $63. Now, I don't wear lashes often. I have occasionally for special occasions, but I don't wear them generally. So I don't hang on to too many pairs of lashes. But this whole magnetic thing scares the life out of me. Particularly with, dealing with everything that's been going on. For those who are not aware, I've recently had to have about 1/3 of my lower eyelid removed because of an eyelid cancer. So the idea of magnets near my eyes just freaked me out. So yeah, I hope that, you know, don't mean to scare anybody because these will go in a giveaway, but yeah, no, this is just, I'm very concerned about anything I put near my eye right now, and the idea of magnetic lashes just freaks me out a little. But these have a retail value of $63, so I'm sure they're really good. It's just not for me. The next thing I'm seeing is from Makeup Forever, and this is the sponge, the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. Especially formulated by the makeup eraser people. I'm assuming people know what the makeup eraser is. This is features the same wash tech technology as the makeup eraser cloths, so you can erase your makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing it. I did get a set of these once before in a subscription box. I think it was in a subscription box. I still have the little container, which is, these are great. You take the container, and here's your little sponge, and once you've used it, you know, for however long you want to, you put it in here, and this screws together, and you can toss it in your laundry, and that's how you clean your sponge. And I thought it was a great idea, and my dog apparently liked it too because she chewed it up, and I don't know how much of it she ate, but there was bits of it everywhere. Now, my dog is a chewer. It's not a surprise. Actually, I think the cats are in on it because the cats will knock things off my desk and then the dog chews them. I'm glad to have another one of these because I actually like the sponge, but I had lost it and I haven't replaced it yet. These retail for $18. Okay, next from MAC, we have a matte lipstick in the shade Marrakesh. Getting a lot of MAC lipsticks in my BoxyCharm lately. I don't know what's up with that. I must have gotten like 8 of them in the last 2 months between this and mystery boxes. So this is the shade Marrakesh, and that's a little, sorry, there's a mirror over here. That's probably too dark and too warm for me, so that will probably go in a giveaway. I'm not unhappy. I mean, I like the MAC lipsticks, but it just, like I said, I've gotten so many of them, and I've gotten the same color multiple times, so they're supposed to be keeping track of what you get in your box so you don't get duplicates, but having 3 accounts, it doesn't cross check, so that's the risk you have with having multiple accounts. But this retails for $19. Next from Tarte, we have Man Eater Mascara. This is Double Duty Beauty. Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Okay. Let's see what it says about this. This is warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with the soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. I haven't tried this, so if anyone has, let me know. I have a couple of mascaras that I'm using right now, and a few more like in backup to try. So this would probably be a while before I got to it. So this may or may not end up in a giveaway, but retail in this is $23. If anyone has tried this Man Eater mascara, let me know. And our final product is from Iconic London, and this is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. I like the packaging on that. I think that's really pretty. Let me take a look at that. It's pretty, but didn't we just get a face palette? Was it last month or the month before that we got the Resting Bee Face palette? It just seems like, I don't know, a little repetitious. Anyway, you know, like Iconic London, I got nothing against them. It just seems like I just got a face palette I want to say it was last month. You see, this is an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. The convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelit radiance, and it retails for $55. that's it for the first box. That's 24-year-old me. Got the Iconic London Face Palette, the Magnetic Lashes and Liner, mascara, another MAC lipstick, and makeup sponge. It's pretty sad when the only thing in the box that I really am interested in is a makeup sponge. The box total was $178, so I mean, it's not that the value wasn't there, it's just totally not for me. I'm very much underwhelmed. Let's see if the other box is any better. Okay, so 36-year-old me got variation 50. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see, which is from Elemis, and this Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I've never tried this, but I do like Elemis products. Reveal a soft lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance skin's radiance. And this has a retail of $49. I'm already happier with this box, just from this. And we've got another MAC lipstick. This one is, again, it's matte and it's in the shade Chili. This is not a repeat shade for me, but again, it's just, you know, repetitive. The shade's okay. Not really my kind of shade, so that one will probably end up in a giveaway as well. These retail for $19. Again, nothing wrong with the matte lipsticks, just seems like I've been getting a lot of them lately. Next, from Ofra, and this was my choice item. I didn't have a choice in any other one, but I believe this was my choice item, and this was the Ofra Banana Powder. Let's see. If I recall, there wasn't much I was particularly interested in, so it was just kind of like, well, okay, I'll take that. That's, when they say banana, they ain't kidding. So, this innovative matte powder, lightly banana scented. Oh, I didn't catch that. Now I'm gonna have to smell it because I actually like things that are fake banana flavored or scented. Okay, maybe. Very faintly. It's not, certainly not like, you know, you got now and laters on your skin or anything. I'm sorry, was that a reference only good for old people? Let me know. This innovative matte powder, which is lightly banana scented, is versatile and can be used to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer, highlight the under eye area, the brow bone, the bridge of the nose, middle of the forehead, and the chin, set foundation, or matte eyeshadow. Okay, and the retail on this is $35. Okay, next from Eloise, we have the Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. They say, enrich your lids and get lit with Eloise's luxurious, long-wearing metallic foiled liquid eyeshadow with the perfect blend of metallic and glitter reflex. Create or transform any look from subtle to intense. And this is a retail of $26. We have the shade Pure Gold. So let's see what that looks like. That is the shade. To me, that looks more bronze than gold, but okay. That at least seems to fit the theme of the bubbles and glitz. You know, we're gonna have, you know, metallic gold. That seems to be the first thing between all of them that's, because there wasn't anything in here, was there? No, I guess, well, you could say the false eyelashes, but yeah, there was nothing in the first box that to me was glitzy. At least there's, now we have some glitz. And our last item is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Ruby Obsessions palette. And let's see what they're saying about that. Each Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette is packed with a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. Ruby has 5 duochrome and 4 matte shades in striking scarlet and raspberry tones. Retailing this is $27. Let's check this one out. I have gotten some of the other ones from this line, but I haven't gotten the Ruby that I know of. And there's that one. That is very pretty. Trying to decide if I would use it. I might. Actually, I like it better than some of the other ones that I've seen from the Obsessions line. So, and again, at least it's a little more in this whole bubbles and glitz theme. It doesn't, you know, it's at least on theme. So we got the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, the Glow Priming Moisturizer from Elemis, the Eloise Metallic Foiled Pure Gold Eyeshadow, banana powder, and yet another matte MAC lipstick. This box had a value of $156 compared to the other box, which had $178. So this second box was like $22 less value, but I liked it a whole lot more. There was, you know, like I said, the only thing in the first box that really jumped out at me that I cared about was the sponge, which is really kind of a shame when you think about it, that, you know, you're getting a subscription box and the only thing in it is a makeup sponge. And one that I've had before, and then the only reason I'm excited about it is because my dog ate the last one. Anyway, let me know what you think of these two boxes. I mean, bubbles and glitz. The second box, okay, we got some glitz, but makeup sponge and a mascara? And am I the only one who feels like we're seeing like face palettes all over the place these days? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Leave your comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle and bubbles and glitz, apparently. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.